To enable and use the color detector feature of the Bixby Vision in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap spoken assistant. Tap Bixby Vision for accessibility. When this menu is still off, tap the on off switch to turn it on. And then tap the gray on off switch next to color detector to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Now open Bixby Vision. Tap accessibility and then select color detector.
Black. Black.
Now point your camera to an object.
Black. 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 White. White. Black. Black. Yellow. Yellow.
You can hear that Bixby will speak to you about what color the object you are capturing is. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.